They're coming to take your guns. That's Florida's red flag law. We know it as a risk protection order in legalese. And what that is if you pose a threat to someone else or yourself by possessing a firearm, the state can take away your right to own a firearm for a year. That's going to cause you problems too when you go the year's up and you try and get a gun. So what the state has to do, and they do this through the law enforcement agency, sheriff, local police, they have to prove by clear and convincing evidence that if you have a gun, that you might hurt somebody in the public. And so they don't want you having a gun. Road rage, aggravated assault with a firearm, those type of crimes are what lead to these. Or if you threaten, I'm going to shoot myself, they're going to take your guns away. This is really important if you're arrested for any kind of firearm charge, because there's two cases going on, the RPO and the criminal case. And it's really important that you fight the risk protection order. When you go in, the judge will go, do you consent to us taking away your guns for a year? And if you do, you just sign them away. But if you're smart enough to hire somebody like me, we go in and we fight it. One, because we can win it, but two, we get valuable information that finds out what happened in the criminal charges against you. What are they saying? What are the facts? What are the testimony? So that we can use it later on in the criminal case. The case we did this week was huge because the witness who's making accusations against our client, the judge found he was not credible. So if a judge finds him not credible, what's the prosecutor going to do? Go forward with that case? Or is he going to go, man, I got problems, I should dump this case? That's our next step in it. And you better hire a good lawyer, because there was another guy in there and he talked to another lawyer. The lawyer did not tell him to fight this. He's like, yeah, just take my guns away. And then he walks out and he's like, well, I could really use those guns. I didn't want to lose my gun rights. But the lawyer did not tell him that. I had to go up there and help him out and go, wait, judge, this guy wants his guns. Please set it for an evidentiary hearing. And that's going to help his criminal case too. He had the same facts as my guy. So it's important to have that hearing. Here's why. In the other guy's case, allegedly, he pointed a gun at somebody. But what they didn't put in the police report is the other guy pulled the gun on him first. It was self-defense. And there he is, because the lawyer didn't give him the advice going, yeah, just take my guns away. I don't want my guns. Everybody wants their guns. That's all I get are calls all day going, I need my guns back. So there's different factors that they look at. What's really important is the criminal offense you're charged with is the main one. So don't give up your guns. Win like we do. Go and fight it, and it'll make a better criminal case for you.